So here we are, Manly in the red, Inner West in the white. And, Zoe has Christina Moore. That one again tipped and stolen. The Sea Eagles again out running. And, gee, Josie, nobody guarding her, but Alex Delaney, her first shot is up and in. As Shea O looks to initiate, they get Tyler Mundine. And the deep triple that time hits it. As Che O looks to set the ball screen, they do, and moves it. And now wants it down low, gets it, spins, and finishes with the right hand. Good execution that time. And they zone it. Bit of a 1-3-1. Chloe Dix now, they throw it back. Sari sets, fires, and hits it. Sari Mowbray knocks in a triple, but looking to build some momentum through this second quarter as no one guards Kim. That'll help. The midi is automatic for Kim Dickinson. As Christina Moore doesn't like what she sees, keeps it herself, steps back, fires and hits it for three. And Manly, they get a stop. Good kick ahead. Sari Mowbray stops. They move it. And the quick lefty drive, Kim Dickinson. Christina Moore doubled, gets rid of it. They find Tyler Mundine. She spins back to the middle, flips it up and gets it. A tough lefty finish that time. Kick out, Alex Delaney. Can't find the three, but again, that's good basketball from the Sea Eagles. As Che O spins, throws it up and puts it in. So the Bulls now back on the offensive end. They get it to Che O, and they look for Christina Moore. Gee, the battle down low with her and Josie Bullman as Tyler Mundine cans a triple. Tara Kalavitis decides to slow it down. They dump it down low. Che O goes middle. Good kick out. Zoe Ralston cans a triple, and Manly come away with it. As Zoe flips it up and in. Kim Dickinson didn't want the elbow J. As Zoe now, they find Sari. Kim Dickinson down low, gets a catch, puts it up and puts it in. Great finish in traffic. As Shea O now looks to go left, cut off, they dump it back to her. Goes to the middle, great defense. And Kim Dickinson comes to the ball. They get it back to Tara Kalavitsas, her three. No good, and that will do us here at Nabisc. The Manly Sea Eagles, an unconventional